So number 3 doesn't have any parentheses, so we don't have to worry about distributing any negatives. That's only if there's a minus sign in between your two sets of parentheses. This is just one large polynomial that needs simplified. There's like terms within the polynomial, so we're going to treat it as an addition. Go ahead and combine our like terms and go with it. So let's find our highest exponent, which is 7. So this 3x to the 7th. There are no other x to the 7th, so let's move on. My next highest exponent is 2, but in this problem, I have an x to the 2 and a y to the 2. Now, we know different variables can't be combined, so you get a little bit of a personal choice here. You can put the x squareds together first or the y squareds together first. I like to go alphabetical order, so I'm going to do the x's before the y's. So I'm going to bring down this x squared and combine it with the other x squared, but those cannot be combined with the y squareds. An x cannot be combined with a y through addition or subtraction. Okay, now multiplication and division is a whole nother story. We'll talk about that when we get there. We're not going to get ahead of ourselves. So then the 2y squared will be stacked with the negative 3y squared. So x squared with x squared, y squared with y squared, we're good to go. And then this constant of 6 combined with this constant of negative 6. I've used all my terms. Now we just go into combining. 3x to the 7th didn't have anything to combine with, so it stays the same. This x squared has an implied 1, so if it helps you to write the 1, that's perfectly fine. So positive 1 minus 4 is negative 3 x squared. Positive 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So again, if you want to put the 1, that's fine. If you just want to leave it as negative y squared, that's fine. I'm going to leave out the 1, but make sure that negative there is there because that's very, very important. Now this positive 6 and this negative 6 do cancel each other out. So that last term is not included because you don't have to put a plus 0. It doesn't change anything. So there is my final answer in standard form.